In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which details to enter so your invoice is accurate, professional, and ready to send. First, head to your Xero account and sign in. If you manage more than one organization, make sure you're in the correct one before you start. From the dashboard, we'll build the invoice using Xero's Quick Create menu so it's fast and consistent every time. Look toward the top of the screen for the plus icon. This is your shortcut to creating new items. Click the plus, and from the menu that appears, choose Invoice. That opens a clean invoice form where you'll enter all the key information. Start by selecting the customer in the contact field. If the contact already exists, pick it from the list. Otherwise, you can quickly add the details you need so the invoice includes the correct name and billing information. Next, set the invoice date and the due date. Use your standard payment terms, or if you have a specific agreement for this job, reflect that here. You can add a reference or purchase order number to help your customer match the invoice to their records. Now complete the line items. If you use saved items, select them to autofill descriptions and pricing. Otherwise, type a clear description of the product or service, enter the quantity and unit price, and add any discount if applicable. Choose the correct account code so your reporting stays accurate, and apply the appropriate tax rate based on your local rules. If you use tracking categories for things like departments or projects, set those for each line so you can analyze revenue later. As you go, Xero updates the subtotal, tax, and total automatically, so keep an eye on those figures. You can attach supporting documents, like a timesheet or a signed quote, so everything your customer needs is in one place. If you use different branding themes or currencies, select those now to match the customer's expectations. When the details look right, decide how you want to proceed. If you're still waiting on final confirmation or want a colleague to review, choose Save as Draft so you can come back later. If everything is confirmed, select Approve. From there, you can approve and send the invoice via email, customizing the subject and message before it goes out. This helps your customer understand what the invoice covers and how to pay. If you prefer not to send immediately, you can simply approve and keep it ready in Xero. And that's it. Log in, open the invoice screen, fill in the details carefully, then approve and send or save for later.